going on YouTube? It is your boy Hack7. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the Shorts tab in YouTube application. Now this is different from the normal Shorts tab, as you can see here at the bottom of my screen beside the home button I have a Shorts button, and you can simply press that and it will start playing different shorts. You could simply scroll through. It's just like a TikTok version of this. So I'm going to show you how to enable this because it is not available in my country. So what I did is I connected a VPN from the United States. So if I close out of the VPN and launch YouTube, it will revert to the export button. As you can see right there, it changed in a split second. So let me close out of YouTube and connect the VPN, and then once I've connected the VPN, the Shorts button should be there, or sometimes it might take a little while for it to return. As you can see, it came back in an instance. So that is how you can get the Shorts button enabled in YouTube from any location outside of the US or the countries in which it is available for. So if you found this video useful, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know if this worked for you. If it did not work, also let me know and I'll try to assist you there where I can. So thank you guys for watching. Hacker7 out.